Your safety in space begins with something unexpected. Your rocket's success? It depends on weather. But did you know that even the slightest wind shear can derail millions of dollars and years of planning? Or that a single lightning strike, like Apollo 12's, could have ended it all? This isn't just about rain or shine. It's about precision forecasting that ensures humans can safely explore the cosmos. Let's dive into why predicting the unpredictable is the unsung hero of space missions. When most people think about space engineering, they picture sleek rockets punching through the atmosphere or astronauts floating in zero gravity. But what they don't imagine is a bunch of meteorologists staring at clouds, basically deciding whether that rocket stays on the ground. Yep, the humble weather forecast is the underrated MVP of every space mission, because it's the difference between a successful launch and a multi-million-dollar fireworks show. It starts at the surface, right at the launch pad. High winds? They'll wobble that rocket like a Jenga tower. Rain? It's not just inconvenient, it can damage electronics and even mess with the rocket's weight balance. But the real showstopper? Lightning. Rockets are like giant metal lightning rods. They even make their own electric fields as they launch. If you're feeling dramatic, ask Apollo 12 about the time lightning hit twice on liftoff. Spoiler, it was bad. And then there's the upper atmosphere, basically an obstacle course for rockets. You've got wind shear, where wind speed and direction change faster than your playlist on shuffle. That can throw a rocket off balance faster than you'd think. And don't forget the jet streams, super high-speed winds that can either give the rocket a friendly nudge or completely ruin its vibe. The stakes? A bit higher than your typical weather app. But wait, there's more. Solar weather. That's right, space has its own weather. Solar flares, geomagnetic storms, and coronal mass ejections, fancy words for the sun is angry, can fry communication systems, mess with satellites, and even put astronauts in danger. Fun fact, solar weather can also mess with Earth's atmosphere, just to keep things spicy for the weather forecasters. Now, let's talk no-go conditions, the ultimate buzzkill of space missions. These are the thresholds that, if crossed, mean the rocket stays put. High winds, no-go. Lightning nearby, no-go. Temperatures too extreme? You guessed it, no-go. Even clouds get a say in this because thick clouds can cause ice to build up on the rocket. Turns out rockets are pretty picky about their weather. And then there's real-time weather monitoring. Imagine meteorologists sweating bullets in the hours before a launch, updating forecasts faster than Twitter during a celebrity breakup. With radar systems, weather satellites, and even high-altitude balloons, they're tracking every gust of wind and every ominous-looking cloud. Thanks to modern tech, they can refine predictions and avoid disasters. If only our phone weather apps were this good. Oh, and let's not forget the future challenges. Companies like SpaceX are shaking things up with reusable rockets, which means weather now matters for both the launch and the landing. If it's windy where the rocket booster's supposed to touch down, you've got yourself an expensive game of rocket Jenga. And with plans for humans on Mars and lunar bases, weather forecasting is about to get way more complicated. Think hurricanes are bad? Wait until you're predicting dust storms on Mars. In the end, weather forecasting is the unsung hero of space engineering. It's not as flashy as the rockets or as glamorous as spacewalks, but it's what makes them possible. From thunderstorms in Florida to solar storms a million miles away, every space mission owes its success to the partnership between meteorology and space science. I'll leave you to discuss in the comments about what Earth weather phenomena would totally ruin a Mars mission. My money's on a sand tornado. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.